Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the much anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350. This bike has garnered attention for its retro styling, modern upgrades, and the classic riding experience it offers. Let's explore what makes this motorcycle a standout choice for enthusiasts and casual riders alike. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Classic 350 retains the iconic silhouette that fans love while introducing some fresh elements. The retro-inspired bodywork, combined with new color options, gives it a striking appearance. Notice the chrome accents and the vintage-style headlamp. These details enhance its classic appeal while ensuring it turns heads on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Classic 350 is a refined 349cc single-cylinder engine. It produces a smooth 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, ensuring a satisfying ride whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open highway. The new engine setup offers improved fuel efficiency and a more responsive throttle, making every ride enjoyable. Features and technology. One of the major upgrades in the 2025 model is the introduction of modern tech. The Classic 350 now comes with a digital analog instrument cluster that displays essential information clearly. Additionally, expect Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and calls, enhancing your riding experience without compromising safety. Comfort and handling. Royal Enfield has focused on rider comfort with an ergonomically designed seat and well-placed handlebars. The suspension setup, featuring telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensures a smooth ride on varied terrains. Whether you're on a long journey or navigating city traffic, this bike offers excellent handling and stability. Pricing and availability. As for pricing, the 2025 Classic 350 is positioned competitively in the market, making it an attractive option for many riders. With various customization options available, you can tailor the bike to suit your style. Expect it to hit dealerships by early 2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 beautifully blends heritage and modernity. It's perfect for those who appreciate timeless design without sacrificing contemporary performance. If you're considering a new ride, this motorcycle deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe and see you in the next video. Thanks for joining Bikezone.